privileged to give a talk at Second International Conference on Pharmaceutical Science organized by MUST. And in the conference, I'm going to talk about how ongoing pandemic SARS-CoV-2 virus is escaping a human immune evasion, and what are the diverse range of host factors it can encounter, engage, and involve in entry and causing the infection. And also extended to the diverse range of ethnic backgrounds or population around the globe, and how an individual human beings or individual ethnic background responds to different viral variants and making a different range of sickness. And also extended to the clinical trial studies showing that how the SARS-CoV-2 virus or related genetic variants or genetic population of the viruses are having a different role in the infection, and how different therapeutics can be used in novel regions to target a particular regions of a spike, not just a spike but also for a different range of viral proteins, so that we no need to worry much on the mutations which is constantly happening in the spike or making the variants. So that also ranges in novel strategies in developing a vaccine. So in general, my talk could be considered and will be covering from bench to the bedside and ranging from what could be the possible upcoming preparedness for the pandemics. Thank you.